we're a small organisation and we need to grow quite rapidly. So it's really important that we can convey what we're doing in a clear and interactive way online to all of our supporters and a network of potential donors as well. Explorer.land has this incredible platform of a mapping system that you can zoom in on, you can interact with the programs, you can extract really crucial and impactful data on the work that we're doing. And because our work is really based within the communities that are living alongside protected areas with endangered species such as the elephants, it's really important that their stories are shared on a platform that can reach thousands, if not millions, of people around the world. So we're really grateful to Explorer.land for this brilliant platform, and we hope more users will come on board and experience it for themselves. And we really love the new projects part of the platform as well, where there's funding opportunities on there, and you can list story updates and show your partnerships really well. So it's very interactive, and we're thrilled to be a part of it. Thank you so much.